So, ladies and gentlemen, greetings on 2nd October 2019. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. And now we are here at this moment. You just see, ladies and gentlemen, that this we are making the thread with the charkha, same charkha that Gandhi ji was having. Ladies and gentlemen, just see how this is.
जुड़ भी बड़ा आसानी से जाता है, आप सिर्फ रखे रहिए।
जुड़ भी आसानी, ओ जुड़ गया ब्यूटीफुल, excellent. You just see, ladies and gentlemen, that's beautiful, excellent. अब ज़्यादा निकल गया, चलाते जाइए। Just see that this is charkha, this is charkha of Gandhi ji. God bless my brother.
पहले तो पाव खा ले